Hola, buenos dias! Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Michelle, and for today's video, I just wanna give you an update about my health, my CKD, and life. By sharing this and opening up, I hope I can encourage and inspire others who are struggling this same situation as mine, any health struggle or anything in life. So grab a drink, get comfy. If you're interested, let's talk about it. About a year ago, my life took a turn I never expected. I fell into a coma for almost a month, and when I woke up, I was diagnosed of chronic kidney disease stage 2. I was given a second life or a second chance in life, but I really don't know what's waiting for me. Shortly after kong na-discover na shortly after na-diagnose ako ng CKD, parang nag-iba yung shift ko sa life when it comes to my health, about my future, and even the simplest things in life. After 1 year, since I woke up from coma, I could say that I have recovered, not yet 100%. So I was recently operated for kidney removal. My right kidney is no longer functioning. So siguro ang total ng oras na sa loob ako ng operating room and recovery room is roughly 8 hours.
I just got out of operating room. I am now back here. What is this? I'm now back here in my room.
Wasn't expected that long. Supposed to be 2 or 3 hours lang, but they said it took them some time kasi medyo nahirapan sila kasi wala na talagang kidney ko. May nababalot siya na parang dry skin or scars. So, they need to remove it carefully. When I woke up, I was shivering, and then I feel pain from the surgery, and then they gave me epidural. And, ayun, sa awa ng Diyos, okay naman ako. Open radical nephrectomy. For the first week, I could say ang sakit niya. Pain is real. First week, I had stomach cramps. And then, I need assistance all the time. Lalo na pag humiga or babangon sa kama, magsa-CR. So, medyo painful siya. But now, on my second week from my nephrectomy radical operation, everything seems fine. May konting pain pa rin, but the scar had dried, and then konti na lang yung pain. After surgery, I know I couldn't go back to the same lifestyle I had. My body needed me to show up differently every single day. So, nag-transition ako from my normal food, Filipino food. Any meat I could eat, samgyeopsal, and any vegetables I could eat, fruits. But now, I need to be cautious and be careful with the food that I'm eating. So, I have now transitioned sa pescatarian or vegetarian, CKD friendly. I need to focus on lowering lang the creatinine levels. So, hopefully, every month or every 3 months, mag-check kami na yung creatinine ko mag-lower siya. And so far, lahat naman ng laboratories ko ngayon sa creatinine after ng kidney removal is okay. Everything seemed to be normal. Ang creatinine level ko normal, so I'm very happy. Ngayon, continue ko lang yung pagpaplano ko ng daily routine ko. I'm focusing more on the food I eat, I drink. So every morning ginagawa ko ngayon because I need more greens, diba, mga CKD friendly vegetables. I need more greens and vegetable in me. So in the morning I drink because I have a juicer. So I make a juicer, greens, vegetable juicer, and then I add some apples. I drink it every morning to have some greens in my system. And then of course water. For now, hindi pa ako allowed sa mga extensive exercises. So I can only walk for 15 minutes walk, 15 minutes stretching, 15 minutes posture. I need to eat on time, lunch, dinner, gano'n lang. Mostly, yan yung tinatry kong i-build na routine for now. And thankful ako dahil nasa probinsya ako ngayon kasi all the local fruits and vegetables are very fresh. Even the fish here, thankful ako kasi malapit lang kami sa dagat at maraming available na fish for me. My recovery is still ongoing. I'm slowly building up my strength. My goal is to regain my stamina. I'm giving this whole 2025 just to build my stamina, my strength, and focus on my health. I think this era, 2025 era, is my healing era. Eventually, one day, I could do indoor cycling again or soul cycling because I really love the energy. I really love doing the indoor cycling. Iba yung experience ko sa Dubai with motion cycling, with motion family. So, yeah, maybe, hopefully, one day I can buy my own bike, indoor bike, and I can continue with indoor cycling. So this 2025 healing era is just to focus with healing physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, lahat na. I'm giving myself and my body a care so I can live my life fully again. To my fellow CKD warrior, I see you. That's why you're on my channel right now. I see you, I feel you, I understand what you're going through. Whether you're newly diagnosed with CKD, whatever state or how many years have you been into the CKD journey, I know how hard it can be. You know, it's been just like more than 1 year for me, and I could say it's hard in that 1 year adjusting with a lot of things. The constant blood test, diba? I really hate needles. Takot ako sa needles, guys. But yeah, that's the one struggle for me. But I have to be strong and I need to do it for my blood test. Dietary restrictions. May mga food na gusto natin kainin pero hindi na natin pwedeng kainin, but it's fine. I'm just thinking positive all the time na at least I am given an option to still eat. Nakakain pa rin ako. It's alright. And then also the fear of what's next. Saan kaya patutunguhan to? May patutunguhan pa ba ako? Diba? Yun yung mga tanong natin sa sarili natin minsan. Kailan ba matatapos? It's not really easy. But hey, you're not alone. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Sabay-sabay tayo dito. Kaya nga, ano tayo, hashtag CKD Warriors. Diba? Journey or our battle may look different. We are fighting the same battle. And together, we are stronger as ever. So, sa'yo dyan, I would love to hear your story, your health struggles. If you have any advice for me, what would that be? If you have any questions, please comment down below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. But I would really, really thank you for watching my video. Hanggang ngayon, nandyan ka pa rin. Nagstay ka sa video ko, di ba? Hindi ka na bored sa chikahan, saglit lang. So I would like to thank you for staying. If you like my video, if you like this, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video if you know someone who's going through anything about CKD. And stay tuned. I will be posting every other day about my CKD journey. So I have wrote down a lot of topics that we can talk about. Hopefully I can get feedback as well from my other CKD warriors. Let's support and uplift each other. My story and your story might be an encouragement for others or for someone else. Kaya, kapit lang. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to my story. And thank you so much for your time, guys. I hope to see you on my next one. Have a good one. Bye.